Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to reset the balance settings on the following device. So, if you mess up with your balance sound, you can simply get back to the default settings. All you need to do is find the settings icon in the upper part of the screen. So the settings icon, of course, is the gear icon. Now you've got access to a list of all settings that you can use on this car. And now one of them here is sound and tones. Let's just tap it. If you tap sound and tones, you can use the following section. You can use sound and other features as well, but in my case, let me use sound. Now all you need to do is use this reset button. So if you mess up with those settings, tap reset, and as simple as that, you will reset the balance of your sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up.